begin round 13, we chain 1, skip the stitch in front of the chain 1, and double crochet on the next stitch. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, mark the next stitch, front post double crochet on the front post double crochet that we skipped, then starting on the mark stitch, double crochet on next stitch. That's 1, 2, then mark the next stitch and the 2 stitches that's on each side of this front post double crochet, skip these 2 stitches, 1, 2, and front post double crochet on the next front post double crochet, and we narrowed the Y design. After making the left front post double crochet this one, then double crochet starting on the mark stitches under the front post double crochet, a total of 17 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Then mark the next stitch and remove all the markers on the completed stitches. Then go back and do a front post double crochet on the stitch that we skipped. Then starting on the mark stitch, double crochet on next stitch twice. So this is 1, 2, then mark the next 3 stitches, and skip the next stitch and do a left front post double crochet on the next left front post double crochet, and the Y design of the diamond is narrowed. So repeat from here to here. So keep on repeating all the same stitches all the way around, and I will meet you toward the end of the round to show you how the round ends. Toward the end of the round, after the last set of 17 double crochets, then we go back and make a front post double crochet on the front post double crochet that was skipped. We're supposed to have marked that one, then double crochet on the next stitch, twice. This is 1, 2, then mark the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Then front post double crochet on the next front post double crochet. Then double crochet on the mark stitches, 1, 2, 3. The last stitch falls on the skippy stitch at the beginning of the round. And let us count to make sure that this has 17 stitches also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that is correct. So we can do a seamless ending just like we did before. And this is the end of round 13.